Everybody and welcome a new English lesson. Our lesson today is Our World Part 2. Here is our objective for today. Identify the use of the time prepositions since, for, and so far with the present perfect correctly. My dear students, let's read the following examples. How long have you been a teacher? How long have you been? Do you know what does it mean, how long? When we use how long, we use how long when we want to ask about the duration of an action. From the moment it started up to the present time. So how long have you been a teacher? Number 2, I have been a teacher since 2015. Look at the word since. What since refers to time when an action started. Since 2015, that means 2015, the beginning of an action, the starting of an action, okay? Number 3, I have been a pilot for 3 years. I have been a pilot for 3 years. 4 here refers to the duration of an action. For 3 years, for 7 years, for 8 years. Okay, so 4 followed by the duration of an action. The last example here, I have visited a volcano so far. So far means up till now, until now, until the moment of speaking or until now, okay? Now, let's read and answer. We received your email 3 times. 3 times. Which one is the correct answer? Since, so far, or for? So far. Very good. Have you been working the last 2 years? For the last 2 years. Excellent. No, I haven't worked since I graduated from the university. I have finished it 2015. Since, very good. Have you looked for a job in other companies? I have looked into companies so far. Very good. Have you lived in this city many years? For many years. Yes, I have lived here since I was 5 years old. Now, read and circle for or since. You can pause the video for a while and read and choose the correct answer. Let's check the answer. I haven't been to the beach for or since last summer. Since last summer. Great. I think my cat is ill. It hasn't eaten anything for 2 days. My parents have worked at this school since 2002. I have known my best friend since year 1. My Connolly has had his car for 20 years. Activity 3. Write question with how long. Then look and answer. as in the example. Use the present perfect simple and for or since. Number 1 has done for you, and you can do number 2 and 3 by yourself. You have this bike. How long have you had this bike? And the answer, I have had it since 2016. Now let's move back to the student book again. Listen to a conversation between a tourist on an island and a local man, and circle A or B.
4. Listen to a conversation between a tourist on an island and a local man, and circle A or B. Check your answers with a partner.
Excuse me, how do I get to the top of the volcano?
Well, you have to hike for 2 hours to get to the crater from here.
Wow, 2 hours? Well, I've walked for 3 hours so far. I'm too tired. I don't think I can go up to the top of the volcano today.
Yes, you should start early in the morning. Why don't you visit a museum today?
Good idea. I haven't visited any museum so far, but I visited a cave. I've also visited a park.
I see. How long have you been on the island?
I've been here since the 4th of July.
Oh, so you've been here for 2 days. Have you visited the hot springs?
I don't think so. What can you do there?
There's a small lake where you can go swimming. The water is warm because of the volcano.
I'd like to do that. I've taken a boat tour around the island, but I haven't been swimming yet. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's check the answer. Number 1, the correct answer is B. Number 2, the correct answer is A. Number 3, the correct answer A also. Number 4, the correct answer is A.
Four.
Now, ask and answer questions with your partner using how long and the ideas in the box. Here we have some ideas. Live in your house or flat. Live in this town. Have your rucksack, jacket, tablet, computer. Know your best friend. Now I want you to look at the boys and read what they are saying. Read the ideas and ask using how long. How long have you lived in your house? I have lived in my house for 7 years. Thank you for listening. This is the end of our lesson today.